live. This is Maude, and you guys can come on in, take a look. So this is our little home, and let's see, some of my favorite parts are my stop sign, which I saved off the bus, and I've covered it in stickers of all my favorite parks we've been to. And then on the ceiling I have my favorite pictures of all the places we've been. And for me, I'm just into a lot of color and things that are a little different, so I have my vinyl tile stickers on my cabinets and my cactus knobs, which I love, and my window stickers, which were a Christmas gift this year, so that's a new thing I've just added. And what else? So I have my dresser here, and then my closet at the end of my bed, and then I have my bunk bed up there, which I've had several people sleep in, so it works pretty good. Right now I have an ice chest, but I actually just got solar installed today and yesterday, so eventually I'm going to have a fridge right there. And this is my toilet box under here.
Oh, very nice.
Is that good?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that video of that great schoolie, and in the coming weeks there'll be more, so please, I will see you next Saturday for a tour of another schoolie. Steampunk Steve saying, see you on the road.